Hello everyone, this video is going to be about how to convert a string of integers into a list of integers in Python. When we convert our string of numbers to a list in Python, there are a lot of useful functions we can leverage to get more out of our data, such as count the total amount of numbers in our list, find the minimum or maximum values, and the list goes on, so to speak. So in our example here, we have a string which contains a bunch of numbers as an example. So to achieve this, we're going to convert the string to a list using the split function. So we're going to create a new variable called int_list. When we're all done, this will eventually contain our list of integers. So now we're going to bring in our example underscore string and apply the split method to it. Now if we print our int list, what we're going to see here is that we actually have strings in a list. So this takes us halfway there. That's good. We now have an actual Python list, but there are actually strings in the list. Now we want to convert this to be integers. We're going to use the map function to convert our numbers that are currently strings into integers. So if we add map, and the first parameter is going to be int, and the second parameter is going to be our string list of numbers. So this map function will actually go through each value of our list and convert it to an int. But if we print the results, we get the map object back, so we'll need to convert this map object to a list. So we will wrap the list function around our map object to convert it to a list. So simply all we're going to do is add list and wrap that around our existing function. And if we now print the list, you will notice that each number in our list no longer has that single quote around it, indicating that our number is now an integer. Now, what if our numbers in the string were actually separated by commas instead of a space? So now all we need to do is in our split function, just add a comma. There you go, we still get a list of integers. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next Python tutorial. See you next time.